going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode 3 of the BRZ build series. If you missed the last episode, here is a wingless trunk off of an FRS that I picked up off Facebook Marketplace. We installed this wingless trunk in preparation for putting a wing on it, which we are going to be doing in this episode. But before we can, we got to take care of a few minor details, which is why we're at 2020.
Hey, I'm Vinay with 2020 Tint and Film. Seth has bought in his BRZ today. We're going to PPF the trunk ends to keep the painted surface protected from the mounting hardware of the wing.
Okay, and we're back in the garage. The PPF has been applied, thanks to Vinay. And the next part that I want to take care of is there's a bunch of old, worn out foam on these risers that are also here to protect the car. So I need to get that foam off, and I'm going to be replacing it with some 8-inch rubber that I've picked up just off of Amazon, just to make sure everything is new and fully protected, and then we can get these risers installed. So I'm going to start cutting this stuff up. All right, so we've got all new rubber on the risers in place of the old deteriorated foam, so that should keep the car protected for a lot longer. So now everything is prepped and ready. We just need to get it installed on the trunk. Go slow with it here just to see what we're working with. Okay. Okay, it's not too bad. The thickness is causing it to lift the trunk a little bit. So what I'll do is we'll install the wing. And what I might end up doing is replacing the 1/8 inch with 1/16 thickness rubber right here, just to give it a little bit more space, because I don't know if you can see in the camera or not, but it is picking the trunk up slightly, which is disappointing, but it is doing what I wanted it to do, which is protect it. So, all right, let's get this wing on. So, in episode 2, I showed you guys this wing, but what you couldn't probably see in episode 2 was there was no clear coat on this wing. So I've gone ahead and had the wing clear coated by a local shop, and on top of that, I've also gotten the, I guess you would call these adjuster brackets, but they don't come with the wing itself. This is an additional piece you have to purchase, which it just allows you to change the angle of the wing. And they come in raw metal, so I had our friends over at Parts Remastered powder coat these to match the risers. I just didn't like the look of that. And so we got to get this mounted to the bottom of the wing using some dress-up bolts. Whenever I'm using nuts on any kind of wing, I always use nylock nuts. Just have that extra security to know nothing's gonna back out. In a tight space, I'm trying to check all the angles. Tevin, what do you think? Thumbs up? Yeah, this gold hardware looks really good. Like, if I'm sitting at a stoplight and someone pulls up, this is what they're seeing. If they're behind me, an angle, whatever, this is gonna draw the attention to them because it's just popping off that black and the carbon. Better than I expected. That's awesome. I think we should probably pull it outside. This thing turned out so much better than I could have expected. Honestly, I can't even put it into words. I'm ecstatic, man. I just seeing it out here in the sun with the car angled, like it's honestly, it's beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. I haven't washed this car since October of last year, and right now we're almost at the end of May. So it's been a long time. It's been collecting a lot of dirt and dust. So I think it's time to take care of this paint.